Welcome to the ESP website's Advanced Features webinar. In this session, we will demonstrate how to create additional site content such as product management, adding a menu bar, and uploading banners. Let's start by creating some saved searches. Saved searches, also known as selected searches, is a major time saver you can set up for your customer. Essentially, you are doing the search work for them, so they can just click on a link and access the products. To create a saved search, we'll click on Global Features, and then select My Saved Searches from the drop-down. Next, we'll click on the Create New Select a Search button here. Now we can do the search we want. For example, if we wanted ceramic mugs between $2 and $3, we'll type ceramic mug here, 2 in this box, and 3 in this box. Then, we'll click Go. We can use the guided navigation on the left to narrow our results further by clicking on the available options. Now that we've set our options, let's click on the Save Search button, type a name, and then click on Save. After we see the confirmation, we can click on the X. At this point, we could repeat this process to create more saved searches, but let's click on the Return to Features Select a Searches link. In the Properties box, we can edit the name if needed, check Active, and click on Save Properties. Now, let's create a product collection, which is different from a saved search because a product collection is made up of specific products. Let's click on My Sites, click Edit Site, extend to the Manage Products area, and click on the Product Collections link. In the Product Collections section, we'll click on the Manage Product Collections tab, and then click on the Create a New Product Collection button. We'll type a name, and click on Save. We can then search for a specific product, mark it, and then use the Marked Items drop-down to select Add to Current Product Collection. After adding all of the products we would like to use, let's click on the Return to Design Studio Product Collections link. If we needed to, we could manage the properties of this product collection here. Let's use our saved search and our product collection to create a side navigation menu. We'll expand the Pages and Menu section and then click on the Advanced Site Menu Navigation link here. While we can copy an existing menu, let's create a new one. We'll type a menu name. We can select to have a horizontal or vertical menu. A horizontal menu will display main menu items in the line with sub-menu items populating below. A vertical menu will stack the main menu items and display sub-menu items to the right, making it ideal for side navigation. Let's select Vertical and then click on Create Menu. Our next step is to add items to our new menu. We'll click on the Add button and then begin entering our menu item properties. We'll enter a display name, which we can make into a link or a placeholder. Both a link and a placeholder would enable users to hover on the menu item to view additional menu items, but only a link would be clickable. Let's use a placeholder. We'll type our display name, select Text as the type, and then click on Save. We can see the new menu item right here. Then we'll click on Add. Next we'll type the menu item display name and use the drop-down to choose Select a Searches. We'll use the Detail drop-down to select the exact saved search we would like to use and then click on Save. We can see the new menu item right here. While most of our links will go to Select a Searches, we want an option for our special mugs, meaning that we will link to our product collection. We'll click on the Add button, then enter a display name, select Product Collections from the drop-down, and use the Detail drop-down to select the product collection we want to use. Then we'll click on Save, and the additional menu item will be saved. Let's click on Preview to see how the menu will work. We can repeat this process to add as many additional menu items as we need. After we have finished adding menu items, we need to add the menu to our site. To do this, we'll click on the Advanced Page Manager from the Pages and Menu section. We'll click on the Edit Page tab and then use the Select Page drop-down here to select Home because we want to add our menu to our home page. Next, we'll scroll down on the page and locate which zone we want to add the module to. We'll drag and drop the navigation module to a zone on our page, configure the navigation by selecting our newly created menu, and clicking on Save. Now, we'll click the Make Changes Live link here. Now let's go out to our live site where we can see our new menu in action. As we hover over our placeholder, our additional menu items will be displayed. We can click on the link for special mugs to view our product collection. Now let's go back into the ESP website's admin to upload custom banners for our site. Within the admin, we'll expand the Pages and Menu section and click on Banners. There are three options for using supplier-provided banners. Let the system select only from preferred suppliers, or we can choose which banners we would like to have appear on our site. We want to upload our own banner images and then use those on our site, so let's select the I want to choose the banners that appear on my site option. Next, we'll scroll down and click on the Upload Banner Image button. Let's choose Large Banner and then click on Browse. We'll select our image and then click on Open. Our next step is to set the click-through destination. We can set the banner to go to a specific product using the product detail page and selecting a product from the clipboard, or use a Select a Search option to go to a saved search. We want our banner to go to a specific web page, so let's select URL, paste the web address, and then click on Add. Now that we've set up our banner, let's drag and drop it into the banner loader. We can repeat these steps to add as many custom banners as we'd like, and we can have up to 4 in rotation at any given time. We'll click on Save, and then click on the Make Changes Live link. Please keep in mind it might take up to 10 minutes for our banner to display on our site. If you're interested in learning more about the features and functions available on your ESP website, please visit the ASI Knowledge Base. The ASI Knowledge Base is available 24/7 at www.knowledgebase.asicentral.com. Thank you for watching the ESP website's Advanced Features webinar.